Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to get 4K quality in CapCut. So let's begin our video. First of all, open your CapCut application. Then select new project. Select your video, then add it. So right now what you need to do, you just need to select adjust option. Select contrast and make it increase it 10. Then select saturation, it's also 10, and then select highlight, it's also 10. Then save it. Right now from top, select here, just select here, and then you just need to increase it 2K oblique 4K. Then frame rate obviously 30 and code rate also high. Right now you can save it. So after export your video, you can successfully get a 4K quality video in CapCut. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.